Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one done for you business using My Lead Gen Secrets on the one account, day 28, I believe. And yeah, so we're going to get started with that. But the first thing I want to do real quick is talk about why I like promoting the $25 business. The $25 business, the best system I've seen so far when it comes to building an income online. It's the best affiliate system I found, period. And it's stuff that you need anyway for online affiliate system stuff. I tell you now that every little business that you try to start will help tremendously if you got a funnel for it. Some kind of funnel set up for it. And this really helps, okay? And this has that at a very competitive price. $25 per month. I'm telling you now, the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, which is around $100 a month. I think it's like 92, 93. I don't know, they changed the prices a lot, so it's somewhere up in there for ClickFunnels every month. And they have like limitations on it, like certain amount of funnels, certain amount of people can see your funnel, stuff like that. They have a lot of stuff like that. That's just the ones that come in the head right now that I was just thinking egregious. You know what I mean? When I heard that, especially the amount of people that can see your funnel. With My Lead Gen Secrets in particular, a ton of people are gonna see your funnel. All right, so that's a big no. You know what I mean? The second reason why I really like promoting $25 all-in-one business is the affiliate system, which is 80% recurring commissions. It doesn't get any better than that. I'm telling you, the highest I've seen with recurring is 40%. Most are around 15 to 25%. The highest I ever seen was 40. 80% is unheard of. Okay, so those are the two main reasons why I like promoting it, and I think everybody should be promoting it right now. I think it's the fastest growing business in 2022. The best business to promote in 2022 for people to make money with and build an income with. This is stuff that you can rely on when it comes to building income, because like I stated, it's recurring sales. So people who stay in the system are gonna keep paying. You know what I mean? So you're gonna keep making that money, and every time you get a sale, you're gonna add a little bit to that money that you made last month. You know what I mean? So it's very, very important, in my opinion, to keep this going. I mean, to start doing, promoting this product. All right, so let's keep it moving here. So we're gonna check and see if we got a sale. Looks like we didn't. Let's refresh. I want to make sure you guys see this. Okay, we did not get a sale. Now the reason why I refresh is because I want to show you guys the real results. This is something that is easy to fake, easy to change these numbers around, these bars. It's easy to change them. So make sure, if somebody shows you results of any kind on any video, make sure they refresh it and not just showing you like a still frame or something like that. Make sure they refresh the website. Because if they don't refresh the website, more than likely they are not showing you real results. I'm trying to help you guys get scammed by some of these YouTubers. A lot of them do this. They'll pick like a crazy number and say like ClickBank or something like that, right? Have all these bars going crazy, thousands of dollars a day, and you can edit all of that. You can straight up edit all of that. So I just want to make sure you guys understand that. But anyway, let's keep it moving. All right, so we over here in My Lead Gen Secrets here. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna pick our next video. Let's do create income, unlimited income. This is my best performing email. I like to send it every once in a while. Create unlimited income for life. These are, by the way, I had a question about what you do in these situations when you get to the email here. You just type in the subject up here. You could straight up copy what I got. I don't mind at all. This is my best performing email when it comes to this system. Every time I send it, I tend to get sales with it more often than others. That's why you see like me sending it 3 times in a row or something like that. I think that's all I sent for a long time. When I realized it was my best performing email, I just sent it like crazy. But anyway, it's good to switch it up a bit. But yeah, this email here, I like short, quick emails. I think they work the best. That's why I think this email works really well, because it's short, it's impactful. You see how the difference looks. Long term is underlined. This is bold, underlined. It's very, very quick and to the point. And I think these are the emails you guys should write. You don't need to come up with an essay. It's just a couple of words, maybe a paragraph. Matter of fact, my challenge is keep it on one thing. You don't need to scroll down to show the rest. Don't get me wrong, I haven't always followed this at all, but shorter emails the better. Okay guys, that's about all there is about that. Now you can absolutely copy this if you wish to, you don't have an email to send or something like that. I got it still here so you can type it out yourself. That's all you need to do. And put your link here. Now what you're gonna do, I got my own special link here, but all you have to do is come here, right? You go to Sam Cart down here and you go to the all-in-one $25 business. You hit copy here, and then you just put it right here. Okay, you just put the link here by clicking link right there. Okay guys, I just wanted to make sure I showed that. I had a question in one of my videos talking about that, so I felt like I wanted to show you guys exactly how to do it, just to make sure. But that's all it is to it. It's a very simple thing to do, very, very easy, very quick. And like I stated, I'm showing you my emails, all the emails that I send. I'm showing you exactly what it is and what it says. All you got to do is pause it if you need time to look at it, so you can copy it and send the same as that email. I promise you I don't mind. Cause especially, let's look at it like, let's just look at it more practical, more financially, or more like I'm not trying to help you guys. The reason why I show these emails and stuff, and let's look at it like this, because I'm helping you guys make money, right? When I show these emails and show you my emails and whatnot, and show you how to do this, I'm trying to help you guys make money. And the reason I'm trying to help you guys make money, because ultimately that would make me money. You see what I'm saying? So this is the reason why I show you guys these things. I really am trying to help you guys make money. If you don't believe I want to help you guys, make money, so to speak, believe that I want to make money. At least believe that. Oh man. All right guys, that's all it is to it really. You just do that, and you send these emails every day. Don't stop, don't miss a day. Every day, right? We send email. Boom. That's all you need to do. Make sure you click on perfect timing. What perfect timing does, send an email around time people check emails. You know what I mean? So they'll get it around the time that they, let's say somebody check it at 8 a.m. or 11 p.m. Whenever they check the email, that's when they'll get it. You know what I'm saying? So it end up on top of the list. They don't miss it. They don't erase it right away. They got a chance to click on it. So that's why you want to click on perfect timing. Now you don't have to do that. You can send an email right now if you want to. It don't matter to me. I personally click perfect timing every time. I haven't tested not clicking perfect timing, to be honest with you. I haven't really tested it. I might give it a shot one day to see how it performs, but it just seemed like a no-brainer to me. Anyway, that's all there is to it, guys. The links are in the description below for everything for my lead gen secrets for the $25 business. Okay guys, like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.